Morning YouTube. Maganda Umaga, I think it's called, isn't it? So it's Tuesday 23rd today. It's Christmas Eve tomorrow. Got the Christmas tree, look over there, little Christmas tree. Mum's got a Christmas present, little e-scooter and a TV. And a karaoke. Oh, that's not Mum's karaoke, that's for us. Not that I really like karaoke, but we're going to just leave it here until we build the house. We're just waiting for Arnold at the moment, the tricycle driver. You've seen him in other videos. He's on his way. We're going into Roxas. So, what have we got to pick up this morning, babe?
No idea.
No idea?
I need your grocery for yourself anyway. We don't have any food anyway.
Ah, so we're starving apparently. I'm definitely starving. They're not feeding me, guys. I had 2 pieces of chicken yesterday.
Not feeding you. We're talking about not feeding you. He's lying, guys. She had a breakfast already this morning, innit?
I did.
A couple of 3 coffees. We wake up in the morning, coffee straight away, innit?
Yeah, she does look after me. Peanut butter on toast. Taste of home. Yeah, I forgot what I was talking about now.
Motorcycle.
Was that? Oh, yeah. I wasn't going to say motorcycle actually. I was going to say we're going into Roxas to pick up glasses for Mum. About 10 videos, guys. You see, we took Mum to the opticians because she needs some new glasses, and we taught Mrs. C into getting some glasses as well.
I don't need one.
That's what she keeps saying, but she gets bad migraines. And it's expensive, and that's why she's not got them. So we've got her some nice new ones, Steve.
I need my teeth as well.
You better sort that out then. We've got travel insurance for that. She keeps putting me off what I was trying to say, guys. Glasses for Mum, glasses for Ascension.
And glasses for you.
Oh yeah, and glasses for me because
you're blind too.
Because I'm blind too. So we've got to go and pick them up. That's 51,000 pesos, guys. That's over £600 UK for 3 pairs of glasses.
But it's a different kind of glasses, isn't it?
We've got progressive glasses with anti-scratch, auto-darkening lens or transitional lenses. So they go dark, they look like sunglasses in the summer. We all need them. And to be fair, £600 for 3 pairs. That's cheap. You know, in the UK, you'd be paying a lot of money. Just for 1 pair, it'd be like £400. So, not really complaining. But seeing as we're on the subject of motorcycles.
Complaining? Are you not complaining, babe, or you always complain?
I always complain, babe.
You get stressed.
I get stressed. Can I finish?
Yes.
So, yeah, while we're in Roxas, we've decided to go and buy a new motorcycle. I'm going to buy a Honda ADV160, and it's going to be red, maybe, unless I've got a black one. But yeah, we were looking on Facebook Marketplace for the last week, or I was, and I found a red ADV160 not far away, 2 years old, a lot of modifications done, low mileage. And he wanted 150,000 for it, pesos. Which, yeah, I was happy. But looking into it with the LTO and the checks that have to be done and things like that, it can take a couple of days to get this sorted out. It's more trouble than it's worth. We figured out for 167,000 pesos, which is 17,000 pesos more. It's not that much. It's probably about £250, £300. I can buy brand new. And they'll give LTO registration for 3 years. I get free insurance for a year. Get some freebies. Might even get half a tank of gas.
Oh, helmet.
Oh, might got a helmet. We'll see. We've already bought helmets, but I'm not taking one.
You take the freebies. At least you give to junior or brother a helmet. It's a free anyway.
We'll see what happens. So, just waiting for Arnold, and then we'll get on his way, guys. Oh, and we've got to go to the ATM as well to get some money, because we're skint.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There's our man, there's Arnold. Good morning, Arnold. He's on Philippine time today. Maybe still in third gear. Okay, so today we're going to Roxas. Let's go, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, first stop. We have Malik Plains Rural Blank. Blank or Bank? The Bank. It's quite busy today, Malik. Plenty going on. Plenty going on. Last day before Christmas. Mrs. C is going to rinse that ATM now. We're lucky. We generally get about £350 out in a day. Going to rinse the machine, babe.
Yes, I asked the lady if we got a plenty of money on that. She said, oh, plenty.
Good. I think we're going to need it today. Okay, guys. Let's get myself out that little tricycle. So, there we are. I've got new glasses. These will go down really, really quickly. Ascension got some as well. In fact, these are going like Ray-Bans very fast. We are now at the favourite part of the day. Grandson, United Excelsior Marketing Incorporated. And I'm going to get myself a little motorcycle. It's expensive, but you know what? I'm looking forward to it. Loads to choose from. Little Clicks and Suzuki's, Smashes, and Yamahas, Hondas, TMX. But inside here, guys, is exactly what I'm interested in. Oh, the PCX, which are quite nice. Yeah, they're nice, aren't they?
Oh, 156, more cheaper.
They are cheaper.
So it's better than that one, huh?
Yeah, 156 for the PCX. Got the same engine. But the one I want is one of these. These are very nice. So the question is, red or white? Yeah, Mrs. C, look at these glasses. These are really smart. They really suit her as well. Very sexy, babe. Red or white? I like white, but I also like the red. Decision, guys. Okay, guys. Time check. 2:30. Finally, I've purchased this white one. I paid for that. So, that is a new ADV. I've never had so much trouble in a place. Real hard work. So, I went to pay by credit card and there was no place to put a sort code on from my bank. And it has to be paid to BDO. So, no problem. We went to BDO Bank. BDO said, no, you cannot pay international transfer from your account to BDO. So we were screwed again. Then I had an idea. Kabayan Remit, which I'm signed up for. It's a Philippine UK money transfer thing. So I tried to pay the full amount, 16690 through Kabayan. No, not having it. Messed up again. Then the lady said, try 50,000. So I did 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 16,900. Success. Four payments. And it worked. So we just have to wait about an hour now for BDO to confirm that the money's sorted out. And then I can pick my bike up, guys. In the meantime, I'm going to try and negotiate this traffic, and there's a place just up the road here in Roxas where I saw some nice white top boxes to go along with the bike because it's white. So I'm trying to negotiate Roxas Roxas National Highway at the moment. Of course it's chaos. Well, this is not too hot today. A little bit of rain, but you can guarantee you can be pissing it down with rain when I finally get on the bike to ride it back to Laoag. Whew, so much trouble. Hey, you like the glasses going dark already? Well happy with them. While I'm doing this, Ascension's gone off with Arnold to BDO Bank again to open an account. We think it might be easier to open an account here while she's here, and then we can send money throughout the year to BDO, and we've got cards to take money out when we're here next time. We don't want to be going through this again, guys. It's too much trouble. It's real stress, big stress. The traffic. Just another stupid foreigner in the rain, walking down the middle of the road. So, I've got an hour or so to wait until this money clears. In the meantime, I'll go and find this top box, which it looks like I'm here. Ride Elite. I think this is the right place. And it's starting to rain, so I've timed that just nicely. Let's go and see what they've got. Got a slight update on the story, guys. So, I walked all the way to get this top box and bracket, and I found one, right colour, right bracket. Came to 5,100. I looked in my wallet, I got 3,000. Couldn't get hold of Ascension because she'd gone to the bank, she's got no phone with her. And I've had to walk all the way back. And then it started raining, and it started raining heavy.
This is Isabella for you.
So now I'm back at the motorcycle dealership, waiting for clearance of funds. So I come in here, and then I get an email from Hawaiian Remit saying they've put two of the payments, or the 4 payments, have put 2 on hold. Can I phone them? Well, I can't phone them because there's no load on my account. We asked sister to do it, but she said it was the wrong number, and it isn't. So the driver's just gone off to put some load on it, 200 pesos. In the meantime, I emailed Kabayan back with my Philippine number, and they phoned me back. So I've explained to them what I'm doing, and they're now releasing the funds. It's going to take less than an hour again to clear, so it puts us back again. And on top of that, guys, just when we get somewhere, we get a brownout. So I'm in the dealership now with no lights, no power. That means no internet, that means no computer, no way of checking whether the money's gone through. Welcome to the Philippines, guys. Complete disaster. So Ascension came back from the bank. The queues are too big. BDO was very busy. So this is our day so far.
And I need to go to the shop to buy.
Now it's 3:15 in the afternoon, and we've still got the shopping to do. Okay, guys, so we're here at Ride Elite Roxas, Isabella, and you and your friend, say hello.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
This is the main man. We have customers as well. You want to say hello, shout out? Hi, hi.
Hello.
Hi, boss. So we've just got something really nice for the new bike. We bought the SEC 45 litre.
And this is the name, sir? This is a Blackbird.
Ah, the Blackbird. Very nice.
Yes, this is, sir.
It's got the backrest, quick release, padding.
And,
Very good.
What's in that, sir? This one on the...
Everything. And the keys.
Yeah.
So everything is good.
And this is in the downwards is a metal plate, sir.
For the plate lock, sir.
It's,
Yeah, very good service here, Ride Elite. So we also got the bracket for the new bike, for the ADV160, which we got from Quadzon. Just waiting to pick that up now. But yeah, Ride Elite, guys. I mean, take a look. If you want helmets, accessories, SEC, this guy's got everything. We've got a bit of a brownout at the minute, guys. There's a brownout here in Roxas. But you know what? Life goes on. Life carries on. So I'm out from here and I'll catch you later. Remember to give these guys a like. I'll post a link down below.
Hello kay ti camera na darte kay YouTube. Shout out kayo.
Shout out ka na, Jose.
Anya ti shout out mo.
Shout out.
Daji girlfriend yaw na sa sawa yaw. Anya.
Shout out ba nila tan, ma'am?
May kakatawa kayo.
Shout out sa kabit ko.
Shout out sa kabit ko.
Shout out ba rin ka na?
Apa na nga tagagag susulang lamang kayo mo tan.
Nakasayad BGT Playlings. Nakasayad po. Kapag kumato ako. Ako paturo na yan. Dapat ako mapaturo. Ako kompleto lang. Yung lang. Yung tornilyo na di kapo yung bansya ko siya.
Nalalaing da nga Peter da kita oy.
Mabek na mga tayo pushing naman. Natin yung siya kasi.
Yeah, 24 hours validity.
24 hours.
Yes, sir.
How long before registration?
We will process your paper, sir. Less than a month before. Sabi lang.
Less than a month.
Yes.
About this one, sir, this is not valid when you pass through police checkpoint, HPG, LTO,
Yeah.
like TMG group. Avoid them, sir. Okay. If you see them, then you just hide first. Yes. And you should know also how to determine if the traffic enforcer is, is apprehending motorcycles.
Yes.
It's Christmas, probably will.
You, you will do in it's Christmas.
And then we will notify you, sir. We will notify you, sir, if the ORCR is already available here in the branch. And then, as I've said a while ago, sir, don't let other people use your motorcycle, especially those who are not carrying their driver's
License, yes.
Especially now that the motorcycle has no ORCR yet.
Yeah, no registration.
Plate on the back for registration.
No, no.
It is not valid anymore, sir. That's why we are not issuing that anymore.
So there's no more for registration.
You can just use the motorcycle, sir, within the vicinity of Malig, or if there's no traffic enforcers. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Any question here?
So when the
Sir, can you sign?
when the registration plate is here, can I send somebody else to get it for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You will just have to give him or her authorization letter, and he or she can give us his or her valid ID as well. Thank you, sir. Sir, here's your receipt.
Nasa YouTube na kayo.
Ay, alam mo.
YouTube channel, subscribe.
And then your remote, sir, you have to keep it safe.
Two keys and the back.
Yes, sir. Especially your phone,
And the code
sir.
numbers for the. Okay.
Envelope, ma'am.
Envelope. So you already know how to use the motorcycle, sir. The features,
Everything.
the technologies. Very good, sir.
Not the first bike of, you know.
Lloyd, pag sinauman ate din. Pag sinauman.
Two sets.
Okay.
2 sets.
Lloyd, baka mabalin ni Inog mo pa ilan? Ate mo to. Can we have a take, can we take,
Vlogging.
sipon mo naman. Sika ba yung vlog?
Come on, boss.
Sika nag-vlog.
Ikaw mo lang bulatan nakastamo na yung makita mo. Yes.
Hi, vlog.
Lloyd, galingan mo dyan kunin mo na yung helmet. Chance mo na yan.
Guys, a YouTuber.
Okay.
This guy's a professional.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Salamat.
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 Ayan, nasa vlog kayo.
Hindi pa nalagyan ng kwan yan, gasolina. Josh, nalagyan mo na ba ng gasolina yun? Ano, kwan? Sige, alam na naman na to.
English mag ko na. Ag-English kan
Sir, if you want your shot box will be put in your motorcycle, you can
Oh,
come
yeah.
back tomorrow.
Yes. Huh? Oh, is it not on?
Because you need extra washer, babe. To lift it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ayan, may box na yung ano ni Steve, motorbike niya. Ayan. Pure white.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Tarake. Ada nalabaga ko yang mo.
Hindi ko na nalabaga. Na may puraw.
Two stickers.
Puraw na isit ang yan.
Sabihin kung paano